We have given algebraic fraction, and we know that we can reduce to the lowest terms algebraic fraction when we have multiplication. We have here subtraction, so first we have to factorize. In the numerator we have x squared and x. The number we have only 9, and here is invisible 1, so we cannot factorize any number, only x. X we always take to the lowest term. Here is this invisible 1. So x to first power we don't have to write, we will put before parentheses, and what we will have in parentheses? By what number we have to multiply x to get x squared? Of course, by x, because x divided by x squared divided by x give me x. Minus, and we have to have 9x. We have only x, so we have to multiply it by 9. And what we have in the denominator, we have 9 minus x. In the numerator, we have x minus 9. So to get the same expression, because one is positive, one negative, we will factorize negative sign. And now it's like invisible 1. Negative 1 times negative 9 give me 9, what we have at the beginning, and negative 1 times positive x give me negative x. Is the same what we have at the beginning. So now this is equal x, we have to copy times x minus 9, and in the denominator we have negative sign, we don't have to write the 1, and now we will change. First we will put x, because we have x in the numerator in parentheses, and next we will put negative 9. So now we see that we can reduce x minus 9 divided by x minus 9 is 1, and we have x times 1 is x, because here is multiplication, and like negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. X divided by negative 1 is negative x. This is my solution. We have positive number divided by negative, give me negative.